Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SJR Networks. Uh, here today I will show you how to use images in GNS3. So first of all, we need to install GNS3. So I have already installed. So I will I want to tell you some overview about the GNS3. So first you need to confirm that this this server summary this should be connected, should be green. This one CPU uses will show here. So this should be green, right? Okay. So images I have already installed in the GNS3. In another video I will tell you how to add images in GNS3 and how to install and these things. Okay, first of all, so today I will tell you how to use GNS3 images, right? Okay, so first we need to take this, double click on router and drag and drop. So here the node summary will show here, right? So I am taking two routers, and you can and once L3 switch and PC. This is called topology. Okay, this is topology, right? Okay, so first we need to connect wire fast Ethernet to this one, and second 1/0. This is for PC. Okay, so our images is added here. So now we need to start one by one. Okay, this is started, right? R1 started, then the green signal will show here. Is it started or not? It is red and this is not started. This one is also red. This is not started. Now all nodes are green, right? Okay. Now we see the how the console is looks like of the router and switch also. This is the interface of the router. Currently it is booting. It is boot up. Now we check this one. This one is also boot up. Now we'll check the switch. Double click on it. This is also boot up. Now it is booting. It is started. This is started. Booting process is completed. Then after the booting process is completed, these messages will come. In the case of PC, here we need to double click on it. This is for PC. You can give here IP address and subnet mask and default gateway for sending the traffic or receiving the traffic on any these of router. So I have just given overview how the interface of the GNS3 and how to add images and how to add these wires, and these are options. So okay friends, thank you very much. If you have any problem, or if you want to see any other video on how to add GNS3 images in GNS3, and how and any other queries related to GNS3 or topologies, so please write down the comment below. Okay friends.